build is all ready to go. Very nice looking, very clean looking. You can see how awesome the Strix 4090 looks inside this P500A. The guys at Typhoon Systems have worked with this case many times, so that's why this build looks so nice and looks so clean and looks so upscale. I will include the parts used in the box below. If you'd like to build something like this on your own, you can use my links to buy these PC parts. Or if you want Typhoon Systems to build one like this for you, make sure to check out their website, or you can email me or message me on my channel. So with that, if you like this build, make sure to smash the thumbs up button, watch the other video below, and make sure to come back to our channel for more awesome builds like this.